Okay guys, welcome back. Our library have been loaded. The Pycharm have some library installed. It is using our Anaconda libraries. There are many of them. Okay, let's go and see what we have. Let's say import pandas as PD. As you can see, we have pandas here. That's a good thing to hear. We have pandas, numpy, and other library. I installed them by referring our Anaconda to it. Okay, let's go and see what is our project. I put our project here. Let me just move it here. The project we are going to do is that we are going to video ID. Choose the video ID and then okay, I think this is the video ID. This is the video ID. We are going to use the video ID to let me run it. Line 1 in model from Google Plate import discovery. Okay, let me just fix this line of codes and then we are going to write this and see what is it doing. Okay, how to install the libraries in Pycharm? We go to setting, to a project interrupter, and here search for it. Search for it and wait. I say I don't like it because it's slow, and that is true. It's updating something in the down. I don't know what is it. Let's see if I can close them. No, it's updating and it don't listen to me. Okay, let's go and see if we can add it. It's taking a year to find it. I don't know why people use Pycharm. I don't like it, but you can use it. Oh, I think we have something to do now. Let's see if we can install it by pip. Let's install it by Anaconda pip install. I think we can install it faster from here down our Pycharm. What is the error? Must call defaulting to user snipe because normal site package is not writable. Okay, let's see if we can install it on CMD. Where is it going? Pip. Let me pip install. Install. Oh, sorry, we didn't install pip with our program. Nothing to show it. Don't find the package. Let's see if we can install it on Jupyter. Because of this, the Pycharm is going managed in slowness. Let's just create a new. Pip install. Okay, it gives us some errors. Let's see if it's yes, no, the project is fixed. Let me end this lesson and go to find what is the problem is. It is something that doesn't worth of creating a video on it. Excuse me for wasting your time. I try to fix it. Have a good night and sorry.